This is an update on ABNB, Airbnb, and I had mentioned in my previous video how vulnerable the real estate sector had looked, and Airbnb being a component of the real estate sector. And I had mentioned these two primary and secondary downtrend line off the November highs here. And again, we had it about right here. It had a small reaction off that secondary primary benefit of doubts trend line, downtrend line. We had that reaction. I mentioned this objective entry short trade setup, and we actually came back down, consolidated, and bounced off the 250-day moving averages right here below these key levels. And what happened was we came back up. We came back up to retest it, had a counter trend and rally, and we got rejected really to the button there, right on the bullseye there, and blew past all my near term targets here. Down below, snuck right down below, and that was good for a 10.5% drop. As far as the technical case now, we've got huge negative bearish divergences with crossovers on both the MACD and oscillators now, and a crack and puncture right through its 50-day and 200-day moving average. We did come back up. We did have a small counter trend rally right back up to that 50-day moving average, which also provided another objective entry short at that 162.31 resistance, and we knocked it to the button, got rejected, and came back down here. So we ran past the first, second, third, and fourth target, and here's my fifth target right at that 150.73 price support. We'll see if we get it. It coincides with also the bottom of the gap from mid-January, and we'll see if we even get it. We'll see if we have maybe a small counter trend rally back up to 159.31 price support, price resistance, which would be another objective entry. And again, I still favor a huge move, if not some sort of reaction off that 150.73 price support, and then maybe a retest of that primary trend line off the December IPO lows there of last year. So of 2020. And so we'll see if we get it, and if we do crack below this primary trend line and take out that 140.47 and 137.63 price support, I suspect a secondary, if not another huge sell signal off this primary symmetrical triangle.